Good afternoon. Hi, I'm Margeaux Thomas, and this is Margaux's Monthly Minute. This is a new series that I decided to start to just talk about what's going on in the world, what's going on in our practice, what's going on in litigation. And if you didn't know, May is Mental Health Awareness Month. Mental health issues have been around since the dawn of time. That certainly can't be denied. But I must say that the silver lining, if there is one, of the pandemic is the fact that mental health has been destigmatized a bit. It used to live in a place of fear and shame and was in the shadows and in the background, and something that was rarely discussed in connection with our businesses and employment and family life. And now, after the pandemic or during the pandemic, it is certainly something that has been highlighted to an extent. It is certainly something that people feel more freely to address and talk about in our lives. And I just wanted to talk about the issue because I think that there is certainly a connection between litigation and mental health issues. Just like the pandemic, which has caused us to, reevaluate a lot of relationships and dealings that we were in. It has changed the parameters of those relationships. It has caused people to go through, a laundry list of emotions, and it has increased the rate of divorce. It has, put stress on people's lives and health and business and just about everything. There has certainly been a ripple effect from, this drastic change in our daily lives. And litigation is a process that is normally very stress-inducing. It causes feelings of frustration and uncertainty. It can be expensive, it can be time-consuming, it can be draining, it can be just a very difficult time to go through. So to have to deal with the litigation case, and in our practice, that's normally a case where a business partner is in a dispute with someone that they know and formerly loved or trusted, a family member, a spouse, a trusted friend. And now they're at a point where the business is breaking up and, they're not in a great place with that person that they used to know and love. So, there's added emotion to dealing with that situation. So, there is certainly an interconnection between litigation and mental health. And I think it's important in every month, but specifically in May, when it's Mental Health Month, to just take a step back and think about the interconnection between these issues and what we can do to, start that conversation so that we can address those issues on the front end, because they will have an effect on the outcomes in the legal field. So from my perspective, we've just tried to have frank, open discussions with our clients about what's not only going on in their case, but what's going on in their lives. Like I said, those things that are going on in the background will come to the forefront. Whether you will have the time and attention and capacity and bandwidth to deal with the demands of litigation is certainly going to be affected by what's going on at home and what's going on, with your family life. So I feel like it's not only just our job, but it's our duty to ask those questions and to do the most important thing is just listen to the answers and see, what we can do to be of assistance to our clients in that way. So thank you for taking the time to be at the inaugural episode of Margaux's Monthly Minutes. And I hope you take some time as well to think about the interconnection and, how you can assist others during Mental Health Awareness Month. And I hope to see you next month at Margaux's Monthly Minute.